I found something ridiculously simple that people are already buying for $7 to $20 on Amazon right now. iPhone Photography Tips Guide. $8.95, 340 reviews. Instagram Growth Cheat Sheet. Thousands sold. Create the product in 10 minutes, build a sales page in 5 minutes, start selling today. No website needed. No complex funnels, just pure profit. Go to Canva, click their AI button. Boom, AI creates a professional-looking guide instantly. Forget fancy websites. We're using Google Docs and AI. PayPal gives you a payment link. When someone pays, they download instantly. Each guide takes 15 minutes to create, sell for $7 to $20. Do the math. You're not selling information, you're selling their time back. I'm dropping a complete AI money-making series. Scaling your AI business to $10,000 plus per month. Stop overcomplicating AI income. Forget writing books, creating agents, or building complex funnels. I found something ridiculously simple that people are already buying for $7 to $20 on Amazon right now. And you can create it in under an hour. Here's what everyone gets wrong about AI money-making. They think bigger is better. Complex products, fancy websites, months of work. But while you're building the next AI empire, smart people are making real money selling something stupidly simple. What am I talking about? Digital guides, quick reference sheets, cheat sheets. Let me show you what's selling on Amazon right now. iPhone Photography Tips Guide, $8.95, 340 reviews. iPhone for Seniors Made. Simple. Multiple versions selling. Instagram Growth Cheat Sheet. Thousands sold. These aren't complex products. They're literally just organized information that people could find free online. But here's the kicker. People want someone else to organize it for them. So here's the method. Create simple PDF guides using AI, sell them for $7 to $20 each. No website needed, no complex funnels, just pure profit. I'm going to show you exactly how to. 1. Create the product in 10 minutes. 2. Build a sales page in 5 minutes. 3. Set up payments instantly. 4. Start selling today. Step 1. Product creation. First, pick your topic. iPhone photography, Instagram tips, Canva tricks, whatever. Go to Canva, create a new document, and click their AI button. Type, "Give me 25 essential iPhone photography tips for beginners." Boom. AI creates a professional-looking guide instantly. Title formatting, everything done. Want to make it better? Combine topics. iPhone plus Android photography tips in one bundle. Instagram plus TikTok plus YouTube growth together. Canva plus Photoshop plus design. Complete guide. More value equals higher price. Simple math. Step 2. Sales page. Forget fancy websites. We're using Google Docs and AI. Open Google Docs, click the Gemini AI button and say, "Write a sales page for my iPhone photography tips guide, targeting beginners who want to take better photos." AI writes your entire sales page. Headline, benefits, everything. Add your price. Cross out $19.95. Show $6.95 as today's price. Add one line. Click here to buy now. Secure payment. That's your sales page. Total time, 5 minutes. Step 3. Payment setup. Go to PayPal, click Create Payment Link. Product, your guide name. Price, $6.95. No shipping needed. PayPal gives you a payment link. Copy it. Go back to your Google Doc, highlight, click here to buy now, add the PayPal link. For delivery, upload your PDF to Google Drive. Set sharing to anyone with link can view. When someone pays, PayPal redirects them to your Google Drive folder. They download instantly. Step 4. Traffic and scaling. Share your Google Doc sales page everywhere. Facebook groups where your target audience hangs out. Instagram bio, YouTube video descriptions, email to friends and family, Reddit communities, LinkedIn posts. Start with one guide. Once it's selling, create more. Different software, Photoshop, Canva, Notion. Different audiences, seniors, students, small business. Different formats, cheat sheets, templates, quick guides. Each guide takes 15 minutes to create. Sell for $7 to $20. Do the math. But people can find this info free online. Exactly, and they can cook instead of ordering takeout. They can cut their own hair instead of going to a salon. People pay for convenience, organization, and time saving. You're selling their time back. Stop waiting for the perfect AI business idea. Start with this. Create your first guide today. Set up your payment link. Share it with 10 people. Simple beats complex every single time. This is just one way to make money with AI. But here's the thing, I've got an entire playbook waiting for you. Subscribe to this channel right now because I'm dropping a complete AI money-making series. AI tools tutorials that actually make you money. Advanced AI income strategies nobody talks about. Scaling your AI business to $10,000 plus per month. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let me show you how to build a real AI-powered income stream. Your future self will thank you. The AI gold rush is happening right now. Don't get left behind.